So by profession, I'm a civil engineer and my manager once told me about a design principle called KISS, which means keep it simple and stupid. So here I'm trying to keep this white sauce pasta simple and stupid, just like my manager. Just kidding, but I'm not kidding about this recipe. Trust me, follow this and you will never eat your white sauce pastas in restaurants that only taste good because of that loaded cheese in the sauce. This right here is the actual creamy goodness without the loaded cheese part. So 2 cubes of butter, add 1 spoon of refined flour which we call here as maida, then add 1 cup of milk to it, add your seasonings and mix properly to make a smooth sauce, and you need to cook it until it thickens. To this add your choice of pasta. I like to put some coriander, top it with some caramelized onions, little bit of mozzarella is optional, and dig in right from the pan.